कुछ ऐसा हो कि मैं स्कूल से भागूं.
A role where you are bald, tattooed and a gangster.
अगर मुझे अब कोई कहे ना मुंबई से आपको शिफ्ट होना है, I would never leave Mumbai.
Made me just want to have maybe some alcohol. Said that it's a no makeup look, but makeup लगाया है, थोड़ा सा तो लगाया है.
You especially do it with boys when they come and ask you and they're like, अरे यार you look so beautiful naturally. And you're like, तुम्हें क्या पता मैंने कौन सी BB क्रीम लगाई है.
मैं शादी में नहीं पहन सकती heels में खुद के भी. Like it's not possible.
A period film where you don't speak at all, you only act through expressions.
Script.
Everybody who comes, oh, I want to get white. I was like, that's a fad.
I was somebody who was a brat. और अगर किसी ने छेड़खानी कर दी फिर तो पिट गए.
I feel like boys before didn't
Not
know even
informed.
1% of
Yeah.
skincare makeup
Yeah.
and didn't even put cream.
Ashutosh Rana, Sara Ali Khan and amazing different actors on the movie.
If Mumbai was a lipstick shade or a name, what would you give that?
Maybe a crimson red.
What about Fateh?
Fateh.
Like, you're gonna
Yeah.
live with him now.
Yeah, I
And
still feel like Fateh is a little more open. He's a little more informed,
he
and
has a
sometimes
choice, actually.
he doesn't have a choice. But I'd like to think that he's a little more informed. That I would think that other boys were.
Initially लड़की ऐसी डार्क सी होती है. She's a dark sister and she's the most vulnerable और वो सबसे hard working लड़की होती है and उसकी शादी नहीं हो पाती है ऐसा वैसा. मैंने कहा why are you attaching this stigma? तो उनका कंसर्न होता है अरे काली हो जाएगी. You know हम शॉर्ट्स और गंजीज पहन के खेलते थे तो उनको होता था your hands will get tanned, your face will get tanned. Every Sunday my mom would make me sit and she would be like टमाटर घिसो, आलू घिसो, you know all of that.
If you have acne, you put makeup on it, it clogs all the pores. Again, you're going to put more makeup. Again, you're going to get more acne. It's just a cycle which goes on and on.
According to Bombay, I feel like my skin has been struggling more because of the pollution in the air and the humidity than it was anywhere else.
I'm very childish and lame. Honestly.
Let's just play a fun game.
I can make your skin brighter, clearer, more confident, but I'm not going to be able to change your skin tone from like a 8 to a 5 or something.
I can't say for myself anymore. I can't go on a first date, but I can definitely go on a date with my fiance.
Yeah, I can go. No, you can
Yeah,
tell
you
me.
go. So I'll tell you.
Gone to shoot with wet hair.
Hit every day.
Borrowed a friend's lipstick without asking.
Big miss. You can't touch mine. I won't touch yours. अगर मुझे मौका मिलता तो मैं 2-3 साल की उम्र से भी शुरू कर देती. इतना मुझे प्यार है.
I think you should go for like a nice racer back, you know, like a nice racer back, like satin top with like nice trousers. Looks good.
People use IV drips to become fair. Is that even a thing?
That is a myth. That is a myth.
Bought something just because it was trending on Reels.
Miss.
Labubu.
No, big no. लोगों को वो ब्राइडल गेटअप वाला फैसिनेशन होता है मुझे नहीं है. I'm like मुझे पता है in my marriage I want no makeup. I want barely nothing.
What would be your go-to outfit for like if you're going for a girls' night?
For a girls' night, I would definitely do something more sparkle.
I'm happy to temporarily look a certain way and go back to my specs, go back to my
Pajamas.
pajamas and look however I'm looking.
Beauty, you know, fades and all that, but it doesn't if you take good care of yourself.
I would like to wear like a nice acid wash loose pair of jeans, extremely baggy ones with like a vintage, you know, diesel top or something with a bandana for sure.
I have weird pictures of me from childhood जहाँ मैंने unreasonable amount of powder लगाया हुआ है मुंह के ऊपर and lipsticks लगाई हुई हैं.
Skin is an investment, like financially, physically, mentally.
I think for a cocktail function, like at this age, now that I am getting married, I would like you to wear like a nice draped sari with like a corset blouse. Not something exaggerated, but like a straight silhouette with like nice draping.
Either boys are fans or either they get like, you know what, she plays damn well.
Yeah. So we used to get a lot of hoots and I was somebody who was a brat. I used to enjoy the show off.
Something very like dainty in the neck and nice color earrings. You do like a nice smoky eye with like
with
a
lots
yeah.
of mascara.
Yeah, lots of mascara.
As long as
You're happy in your skin, that's
as
amazing.
long as the person is happy in what they're
Yeah.
doing, it's perfect.
Absolutely.